Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore Tabulate, a powerful Python library that formats your data into clean readable tables in seconds. It is perfect for reports, debugging, or just to make your output look more professional. Let's jump in and see how it works. Some key uses of Tabulate are it displays structured data, converting lists, dictionaries, and pandas data frame into well formatted tables. It also generates reports in various formats like Markdown, HTML, and LaTeX. It helps in integrating with data processing libraries, and it works extremely well with pandas, allowing data frame tables to be displayed with. To install the Tabulate library, just run the command pip install tabulate. Now that we have installed Tabulate, we will see some of its immense capabilities in our code. First, we will import Tabulate in our code. Then we can see that this messy table is so beautifully organized by Tabulate. We can use headers argument to add headings to our table. Here, as we can see, in the for head, we have written name, weight, height, and state. And then in headers, we are passing head. So for the table, we get the headings as name, weight, height, and state. Then to add the row indices, we can use show index equal to true or show index equal to always, and we can see that the indices are included here. One of the best features of Tabulate is table FMT, which allows us to format tables according to our convenience. We have plain, simple, which is the default, which separates the data and headers through the dotted line. Then we have various of other formats like grid, rounded grid. We also have GitHub, which generates tables in Markdown style, making it ideal for documentation and README files. Then we have PSQL, pipe. Also, then one more important one is the HTML, which generates the data in an HTML table format just by passing HTML in this table FMT. We also have LaTeX, which formats tabular data into LaTeX compatible tables. Tabulate also aligns our data smartly. If a column has only numbers, it aligns the numbers to the right. On the other hand, it aligns the text columns to the left, as we can see here. Then we can also custom our column alignment, like just by putting right or left in call align, as we can see here. We can also format our numbers, like if there is a decimal, we can put just 0.2f in float FMT, and the decimal will be represented with two decimal points. We can also format our text, and like if you want to preserve the white spaces, we can just pass true, or if you don't want to preserve, we can pass false. Some practical use cases of Tabulate are, for example, if a sales manager wants to generate a quick summary of his product sales, he can simply use Tabulate. Then Tabulate underscore formats chooses the best format for a dashboard. We have already discussed about LaTeX and HTML. One more is if we use table format, it creates a custom remote report format for a logistics company. In this demonstration, we are passing a data set into pandas and tabulate and seeing the difference in readability in both. In pandas, we get this output, and in tabulate, we can see how much better the readability is. Some key points why tabulate is more suitable than pandas. Tabulate allows easy control over decimal places for float values. It creates ASCII art tables. It generates tables in Markdown and other formats, and many more. In this video, we introduced you to the Tabulate library of Python and its immense functionalities. Hopefully, now you know how to turn messy data into clean, professional tables.